So this is another episode of Green Fans Over Beer. Yeah. Naveen is handling some of Broch's problems right now.
Mautang, mali. Ma-contacts niya.
Yeah.
Today, we talk about the big semifinals win Lasal had over Ateneo.
Yes.
Lasal ranked number 1, Ateneo ranked number 4 in the UAP Football Men's Semifinals.
Daming tao kanina.
Sa Rizal.
Nagulat ako.
Madami pang ano. Ano mga napansin mo ganina sa football, Brocha?
Una sa lahat, ang mahal ng parking.
yung game libre, yung parking may bayad.
Isang daan.
Saan daan binayaran nyo? Kami 40.
Hindi kasi mukhang mayaman daw tong gamit.
Well,
Ba't ako may kwintas pag gold ko?
Bakit may ganyan?
hindi ko alam eh.
Ano ko balik bayan?
So anyway,
What's some of what happened to today's game?
So,
Jello Diamante was Lasal's leading scorer for getting injured.
yeah.
He comes back to this game after he's out with an injured shoulder, and he scores in the 87th minute.
And the 87th minute, a thunderous strike
Yeah,
from
outside the box.
alam mo may side story yan.
Oo.
Nagalit daw si kanina.
Sino?
Si Hans.
Lagi naman galit yan eh.
Bakit daw siya nag-throw in? Ang tawag yung throw in?
Kasi injured yung...
Samantalang ano eh. Ito baka naman
Dislocated yung
tuwal
shoulder.
yung braso niya.
Dislocated yung shoulder.
Oo. Eh, wala, actually, he played without the doctor's go signal. Oo. So, that was something, ha?
for the
Ayos ng
love of the
batang to.
team.
Oh. So it finished 1-0, but that was it a close game? Game kasi. Was it end-to-end
I don't think it was end-to-end eh. I think Lasal really dominated
possession?
the possession.
I think it did have its chances.
Yes. Parang Ateneo literally played on the counter-attack.
You know, I heard kanina, ha, na tawag dito, yung goalkeeper daw ng Lasal,
Yeah.
nagko-cross-stitch eh.
Cross-stitch?
Nagko-cross-stitch kanina. Kasi puros na sa kabila eh.
Ihintay.
So, sobrang bored na niya.
But there was this one chance that he got a shot from outside the box, from inside the box. And everyone, the Lasal side went silent, the side went wild because it hit side netting.
Yeah.
And everyone thought it was in. So
Yeah.
parang, side netting lang pala.
Yeah,
So,
it looked like it went in, the net bulge, pero side netting. So,
buti na lang. Umangat yung bayad ni Atsax dito kanina yun.
Oo. That's
Ano? Buti pa ako may bayag, si Noy-Noy, wala na.
So, who's stood out for you today's game?
Lasal played really well. I mean, they controlled the ball well. I think the midfield was very strong.
Yeah, si Alquiros.
Yes,
Xavi and Borromeo.
So they played really well in the midfield. They exploited their wings very well as well. Lots and lots of overlaps. And we really threatened on the goal. It's just really a matter of we had the problem finishing, and it took a miraculous strike.
Yeah.
Kind of reminds me of the United Porto game a few years ago. United had it all their way,
Yeah.
but Ronaldo hit a strike from 40 yards.
Yung mga United fans delusions. Their own
Ayun, ha? Yung kanina, merong isang tira yung Ateneo doon. But the feeling niya si Pele siya.
yung bicycle.
Yung bicycle kick.
Panahon ko kasi si Pele.
Yeah. So, tell me, Jasmine, Jello scored the goal earlier. Ba't ka umiyak?
In that one. Let me explain that. Napuwing ako. No, but seriously, kaya ako naiyak doon because that was the clincher eh. If natalo tayo kanina, mas mahihirapan tayo sa General Championship.
It's true.
Now that we won that one kanina, we are inches closer to that.
Ilang inches?
Depends. Tanong natin si Diamante. Pangalan pa lang eh.
Diamante na.
Kasi wala na. Malabo tayo kung natalo kanina eh. Mahirap.
So, just came in. FEU, we're playing FEU in the finals.
Yes,
Ay,
they beat UP in extra time, penalty kick. And maybe we could talk about the preview in another episode.
Yes, we can talk about that in a different episode.
But it was a great atmosphere in Rizal. Lasal, there was a back grandstand.
It's the, UEFA Cup.
UEFA Cup.
UEFA Cup. The UEFA
Pero
Cup.
yan let me remind you guys. Noong second round, tinalo natin ang FPO 3-0.
Hindi, UP yun. Draw tayo sa
Pero that's FEU.
check ko lang kung alert pa kayo.
Okay, good. But you know, we'll talk about that FU game another time.
Yes.
But great. It's always a good day when we beat Mr. Derby.
Yes.
Our El Clasico, beating Ateneo, going to the finals for the first time after
Since 1998.
10 years.
10 years na pa.
98 is the last championship.
Okay.
Last time we won the championship.
Alright, so if you guys want to watch the game, it's 4 p.m. on Sunday at the Rizal Memorial
March
Stadium.
Tune for our next preview.
Yeah, we'll have a preview of that the coming in the next few
If you're
days.
gonna watch live, be prepared for your parking. Mahal.
Alright, so that's it. We're back into the finals of the UEFA Cup.
Yeah.
Ang saya-saya.
Yeah, the UEFA Cup will be playing under the floodlights, hopefully.
Yep.
Alas 4,
And some
no?
floods.
Yes,
Sa
yes, and big strides towards the General Championship.
Yeah.
So that's it. This is Gio.
Kiko.
Miss Brocha.
Please subscribe to our page, follow our Twitter, like our Facebook page. And
Animal Asal.
Animal Asal. And sorry, again. Rolling and action.
So if you like this video, don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and on this YouTube channel. Once again, this is Green Fans PH, the only podcast and videocast that is for the LaSalle fans by the LaSalle fans. Animal Asal!